detector, smoke detector. All you need to do is protect her. Smoke detector, smoke detector. Smoke detector, smoke detector. Blink and bless, man, let her rest. Don't let my memory dissolve. Take a list of your loved ones in order of height. Laugh at the black of the night. Give them favors in your phone. Imagine yourself completely alone. Sit in the back of your pharmacy slippers. At least you're not on the roof anymore. In a year or so, I hope nobody remembers this run on levels. It's like time on the floor. Need to recharge the light from the stars. Won't really reach anything with it. Binary capsules of all human culture, history and science and headless sculpture. Stories of monkeys and digital religion, like the note on the ankle of the last living pigeon. Smoke detector, smoke detector. All you need to do is protect her. Smoke detector. Smoke detector, smoke detector. Blink and bless her, let her run. Don't let my memory dissolve. I'll get better, I'll flush the feathers, I'll punch in the knuckles, and I'll enter the letters. Why don't you let it lay and listen to the distant sirens? I wonder if they have a dog in the driver's seat with a red helmet and his head out the window. It's getting closer no matter where we go. Brush your cheek and write your name on the bottom of the brick under the window pane. Slip through the slush, action, dust, or never steps out for reveries. It's a laugh or a rush, or remember a feel. You don't want to resist it, you don't want to leave it. Put it on a plastic bag, put it in a pocket, hang it on a hanger, put it in a closet. You know where it is whenever you need it. I'll make a good argument, admit it. You don't know how much I love you, do you? You don't know how much I love you, do you? Just try to remember the best of us. Just try to remember the best of us. time around